Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and today I'm here for the 2018 Paper Crafting Challenge that is put on by GWiz65 here on YouTube, and her name is Jeannie. This year she is doing paper crafting challenge. Anything paper crafting related. You can make, 3 different types of items if you would like, or all the same. And she said that, it's going to be kind of, I think, more interactive. She's going to try to get more interactive with it. Maybe do some giveaways and things like that as time goes on. There are a couple of people that are participating this year along with her. So if you're interested at all in paper crafting and enjoy making something with paper, scrapbooks, cards, anything like that, please go over to her channel, check her out, and if you're interested, join us. I have really been inspired. And this year, she is just going on inspiration. Whatever inspires you. That is what she wants you to create. So I'm going ahead and I am sticking with my scrapbook pages because I'm very inspired to do the scrapbook pages. And so I'm going to go ahead for a while. I might add some other things as time goes on as I am inspired by what else I'm seeing. But anyway, for right now I'm still doing my 3 scrapbook pages. And so for January, these are the 3. They're 12 by 12. And this one is my first one. This is backed on cardstock, brown cardstock. And this is me and my dog Blake. She was a black and silver German Shepherd. And such a beautiful dog. Loyal, very protective. If anybody has German Shepherds, you know that they are very protective of their family. And so this was in 2002. And yeah, so I had some dog paper that I had from another layout, so I used that. And this was part of the paper in that kit that I had as well. This is ribbon, just going across the back there. And then I have stickers from the Mambi collection there. And then up here I just put her name. So that is my first layout. And my inspiration was, of course, Blake. And she said, you can take your inspiration from anything. Pictures, what you see in magazines, what you see other people creating. And this one has a story behind it. This is called Cranes, backed with green cardstock. And this is the paper pad that I just got not too long ago that I showed. And I can't remember something about field study, 12 by 12 paper pad. So this came from that. And down here, the journaling spot came from that as well. And then the stickers. And this one down here. So it all came from the field study paper pad. So what this is there are quite a few ponds out here where we live. And there are some fish in those ponds. Well, we get cranes that will land in the fields next to us. And these 2 happened to fly up into a eucalyptus tree that was on the next property over from us. And I seen them up there, and so I zoomed in my camera, and I got these pictures of them. And you can even see their eyes. And when I was looking through the paper pad and I seen this backing with the trees, I thought, oh my gosh, how perfect is that? So that is my inspiration for this layout. Is this paper with the pictures is just perfect. And I took these pictures I think last year. But yeah, I'm trying to get some of them on the ground. I would love to take some pictures of them while they're actually walking up on the ground. So, but that's my second one. And then the last one is the inspiration being my sons. So here's the last one, backed with yellow cardstock. And this came from the field study paper pad as well. And the butterflies came from that. And the stickers for my title came from that. So these are me and my kids throughout the years. This was probably 1988. They're about 3 and 4. This was 1990. They were about 5 and 6. And teenage years, as you can tell by expressions, I don't really want to be here. That was probably about 2000. Because they are now in their 30s, these guys. And those expressions have long left. So anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to do a picture of them kind of throughout the years with us together. I just found some pictures of us together, so I thought I would make a layout of that. So they are my inspiration, and I loved it with the flowers right here. And just kept it very simple. This says love you right there. And yeah, this is just some of the, this right here was actually some from the pet paper that I just showed. This was a sheet that was like newspaper print, so I just cut that out as a layer behind. So that is that, and I put family up here. That's from the Mambi pack. So that is my third layout. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing what has inspired me this month. And like I said, if you're interested, go check out GWiz65 Jeannie. She has a video that explains everything about it, and if you're interested, just leave her a comment or a message and let her know you're interested to sign up. It's fun. It does motivate you to be working with others. So anyway, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. I appreciate the interaction. Please continue to leave your comments and I will answer them. It takes me maybe a day or two, but I will answer your comments. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you, or you can private message me. So anyway, thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you on the next video.